Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Cash App from your bank account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we are just going to see these official supports here in this uh, subreddit or this Reddit. And as you can see, all you need to do is just to go to your profile icon and basically you need just to go to your linked banks and then you can simply remove or specifically replace your bank or your bank card or your bank account. So now you will be needing just to go to your home screen or your home page, and after that you will be needed to go to your linked banks, and to find them you will need just to go to your profile. So basically, after going to your profile, you can simply go to your bank accounts or your banks, and you will find them there in the settings. So here you will find in accounts, in settings, you will find linked banks. By clicking on it, you will find all your banking information or all your bank cards. And by going to your bank cards, you will need just to choose the one that you want to replace. So basically, you can have this one, and as you can see, you can have already multiple ones. So basically, if you have already some additional ones, you can just delete this one because you already have other ones. Otherwise, if you want just to remove all of them, you will need at least to still have in one. That means you will need just to replace this one. So by clicking on this one, you will be needing just to click on the card bank or the bank account and click on replace bank, and after that you will need just to follow the instruction. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.